2, 3. Go. No, tell him, Madeline. Madeline, tell him.
Don't worry, Mickey. As soon as you come out from the couch, I'm going to whoop your ass.
Tell him, hey.
Hi.
Sorry.
Hey, Bailey.
Hi, Madeline.
Hey, Timothy.
Hi, Timothy. Hi, Timothy.
Tell him louder. They can't hear you. Say it loud.
Is it loud?
Yeah, you say it loud.
I love you.
And what else? And what else, Madeline? Go sing him a song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
W,
W,
X, Y, and Z. Say love you and miss you.
I miss you.
Lord kiss.